Hello student, I am Prachi. Today's our topic is switchgear and protection, numericals on unit 1 basics of protection. So this is the part 3. In the last videos we see the numerical and the formulas for calculation of symmetrical faults. So now here we see the next question is, here see, a three-phase line operating at 66 kV and connected through 1000 kVA transformer with 5% reactances to generating station bus bar. The generator is of 2500 kVA with 10% reactance. Single line diagram is shown in figure below. Calculate short circuit current if fault occurs at HT terminal of the transformer. So here three phase line operating at 66 kVA and connected through 1000 kVA transformer. So here this is given, that is 66 kV line and 1000 kVA rating of transformer. So here see, this is the given. Then transformer reactance is 5%. This is the transformer and this is their reactance is 5% and this is the kVA rating, that is 1000 kVA. This is about the transformer. Then about the generator, 2500 kVA, this is the kVA rating of generator and 10% is the reactance of generator. So this is given, and we find the short circuit current, that is I short circuit, where at the HT terminal. HT terminal means 66 kV, and then we see the solution. So here see the solution. First of all, we find the base kVA. Base kVA means what? Base kVA means higher rating voltage. There are two voltages of 2500 and 1000 kVA. So the greater is or higher is 2500 kVA. So we give the base kVA, that is base kVA is equals to 2500 because it is higher rating. So base kVA is equals to 2500. Then percentage reactance of generator at base kVA. So we find the percentage reactance of generator at base kVA. So formula of percentage reactance of generator at base kVA is equal to base kVA upon rated kVA multiplied by percentage reactance of generator at rated kVA. So the percentage reactance of generator is equal to base kVA is 2500 and percentage and rated kVA of generator, here see the rated kVA of generator is also 2500. Then base kVA upon rated kVA multiplied by percentage reactance of generator at rated kVA. So the percentage reactance of generator at rated kVA is 10. So we put this value in this formula. So our percentage reactance of generator at base kVA is equal to 2500 upon 2500 multiplied by 10. Then we calculate this in CASI. So our answer is 10%. Means 2500 cancel and our answer is 10%. So percentage reactance of generator at base kVA is 10%. Then here see, first of all we give the base kVA, then second percentage reactance of generator at base kVA, and third we calculate the percentage reactance of transformer at base kVA. Before this we calculate the percentage reactance of generator, but here we calculate the percentage reactance of transformer at base kVA. So formula is same, base kVA upon rated kVA of transformer multiplied by percentage reactance of transformer at rated kVA. So base kVA is same, that is 2500, and rated kVA of transformer is 1000 multiplied by percentage reactance of transformer at rated kVA is 5%. So here put our values 2500 upon 1000 multiplied by 5%. So our answer is percentage reactance of transformer at base kVA is equal to 12.5%. So this is the percentage reactance of transformer at base kVA. So the generator and transformer are connected in series. So we give the percentage reactance of generator and percentage reactance of percentage reactance of generator and transformer are in series. So we add this for the total reactance at base kVA. Percentage of total reactance at base kVA is equal to percentage reactance of generator plus percentage reactance of transformer. So the percentage reactance of generator is 10% and percentage reactance of transformer at base kVA is 12.5%. So we add this and total percentage reactance at base kVA is 22.5%. तर या क्वेश्चनमध्ये आपल्याला शॉर्ट सर्किट करंट फाइंड आउट करायचा आहे. तर शॉर्ट सर्किट करंटचा फॉर्म्युला आहे आय शॉर्ट सर्किट इज इक्वल टू फुल लोड करंट मल्टिप्लाय बाय इन ब्रॅकेट 100 upon percentage reactance. Here percentage reactance is total percentage reactance of generator and transformer. So first of all we calculate the full load current. There are two methods to calculate the full load current. First method is full load current corresponding to 2500 base kVA at voltage 66 volt. Voltage is 66 kV is given by. So power is equals to root 3 VI. This is the first method to calculate the current. So P means power, that is base kVA is 2500 is equals to root 3, voltage is 66 and current, we find the current. So I is equals to base kVA upon root 3 into voltage. So I is equals to 21.86 ampere. So this is the full load current. And second method is to find out the full load current is equal I is equals to base kVA multiplied by 1000 divided by root 3 into kVA voltage or rated voltage multiplied by 1000. And this is method is also in this way and answer is same both method. So I is 21.86. Then after this our final answer is we calculate the short circuit current is given by short circuit current is equals to full load current multiplied by in bracket 100 upon percentage reactance. So the current is full load current is 21.86 multiplied by 100 upon percentage reactance. So here we give the percentage reactance means total percentage reactance. Percentage reactance of generator and percentage reactance of transformer. We add these both percentage reactance at base kVA, then we give the total percentage reactance. So here we put out this value and our short circuit current value is equals to I short circuit is equal to 97.15 ampere. So this is our final answer. Short circuit current on the occurrence of fault at HT terminal of the transformer is equal to 97.15 ampere. Here we give 66. In this we give the 66 because the short circuit current find out at the HT terminal. Then we give the 66. Here asks the LT terminal, so we give the 11. But here asks the HT terminal, so we give the 66. Then our final answer is 97.15 ampere. So today thank you. In the next video we see the some next question based on this topic. Thank you.